Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of Palo Alto Firewall and how it can benefit you as a beginner in the tech industry. Firewalls are an essential part of network security, and Palo Alto Firewall is one of the leading solutions in the market. But with its advanced features and complex interface, it can be overwhelming for someone new to the field. That's where our beginner's guide to Palo Alto Firewall training and certification comes in. We'll break down the key insights you need to know to get started with this powerful tool. First and foremost, understanding the basics of network security is crucial. Palo Alto Firewall operates on the concept of a zero trust model, meaning it verifies and monitors all network traffic, regardless of its source. This ensures that any potential threats are detected and prevented, keeping your network secure. Next, let's talk about the certification process. Palo Alto offers 3 levels of certification: Accredited Configuration Engineer, ACE, Certified Network Security Engineer, PCNSE, and Certified Network Security Administrator, PCNSA. These certifications not only validate your skills, but also enhance your job prospects and earning potential in the ever-growing tech industry. Now, you may be wondering, how can I get trained and certified in Palo Alto Firewall? Well, the good news is that you don't have to do it alone. Fastlane is here to guide you every step of the way. Our expert trainers provide comprehensive classroom and online courses covering all levels of Palo Alto Firewall certification. With hands-on labs and real-world scenarios, you'll gain practical experience and be fully prepared for the exams. But don't just take our word for it. Our students have a 99% pass rate on their certification exams, and their success stories speak for themselves. So, if you're looking to boost your career in the tech industry, Palo Alto Firewall training and certification is a must-have. And with Fastlane, it's never been easier to get started. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.